Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. The MACD, the reverse MACD, just hit that, just crossed over on the bearish side, and we did end up dropping from highs of 42 cents down to lows of 30 cents. Right now we are trading at 32 cents. We really need to see how this push down goes. But if I had to guess, I'd say down. We retested this fib level. We broke that resistance, the support at 38 cents. We retested fib level of 36. I think we're going down. I think officially now, I think we're going down. The stochastic doesn't really show a strong push to the downside, but as of right now, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a start of the dump all the way back down to previous highs of like maybe, I don't want to say like 5-8 cents. We might retest all the way down to like 18 cents. But yeah, I definitely think this is going to be the start of the downtrend on Dogecoin. I'll see you guys later.